In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple and easy resume in Microsoft Word for your next job application. Let's get started. First, go to the Layout tab. Change the page size to A4 and set the margins to narrow. Now, let's create the header. Go to the Insert tab and add a 2x1 table. In the first column, type your name and professional title. Increase the font size of your name and make it bold. Then, adjust the size of your professional title and change its color to gray. In the second column, add your contact details, email, phone number, and address, and left align them. To remove the borders, select the entire table by clicking the small square in the corner. Then, go to the Table Design tab, and from the Borders command, choose No Border. Next, double-click below the table and press Enter to create a new line. Type Summary. Increase its size, I'll go with 20. And make it bold to highlight this section. Let's add a line under the heading for a clean look by going to the Borders command and selecting Bottom Border. Now, go to the Line and Paragraph Spacing command and choose Remove Space After Paragraph. Press Enter twice to add extra space below the heading. Here, write your summary or profile text. If you're copying text from another program, right-click and paste it using the Text Only option to remove any unwanted formatting. Finally, select the paragraph text and justify it for a clean, professional look. Now, let's move to the next section. For quick formatting, select the entire summary section and copy it. Then, double-click below to create a new line, press Enter for an additional line, and paste the copied content. Change the heading to Work Experience. Remove the paragraph text and enter details about your current or most recent job. Start with the job title or position name. Then include the organization or company name, address, and your work dates. Format the job title by setting the text size to 14 and making it bold. Then, remove space after paragraph to show the close relation between these details. Below the job title, add your job description. Use bullet points to list your responsibilities. And set the line spacing to 1.15 for better readability. Next, copy the entire job section and paste it below for your second most recent job. First, add space before the paragraph. Then add the job details. Finally, remove space after paragraph for design consistency. For the Skills section, follow the same process. Copy the Summary section and paste it below, changing the heading to Skills. Remove the paragraph text. Then insert a 3x2 table. Enter your skills into the table cells. Format the text. And copy this style to other cells as needed. For better spacing, add a line between the rows. Finally, remove the table borders for a cleaner look. For your education section, copy the first 3 lines of the work experience section. Change the section title. Replace the job position title with your degree or course name. And adjust the location and date accordingly. Remember to remove space after paragraph. Lastly, we have space for another section. You can add your language skills, hobbies, or anything else relevant to the job you're applying for. I'll add my certifications here. Let's copy the education section and paste it below. Replace its heading with certifications. Here, I'll paste the names of my certificates. Let's use bullet points and set the line spacing to 1.15 for consistency. Here's your final resume layout. You can download this simple resume format for free using the link in the video description. Hit the like button if this video helped you. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more resume making tutorials. Thanks for watching.